Well, the kart show is getting lined up. I'm a little late here on the pictures. So up front here is all the rear engine karts. Back further is the sidewinders. So here we have a couple historic karts. The story was this came out of the state of Washington, and it was in a museum up by Green Bay, Wisconsin. And this is Mark D'Elia's kart out of New York. And Mark is around my age, so we're both between 78, I think, and 80. And Mark's owned this kart since he was a kid. He still has it, still runs it.
All right, kart show.
Miles with his kart.
Fantastic entries. Really happy we were able to get it in this morning. We're going to get kart show going and awards, and then we'll get you on track in just a few minutes.
This is a copy of the kart that was built in for Kartcraft magazine in the early 60s. It's a copy of that kart. And then we get back here, and then back here in rear unrestored. Well, what do we got here? Vern Bergman with a 1958 Simplex. Two little Les Bens on it. Got the young rocket man Miles Frost here with his go-kart.
Oh, that's not mine.
Oh, that's not yours. Is that some Morales?
Yeah, that's Morales.
Okay. We got that wrong. Miles corrected me. He's smarter than I am.
No, I'm not.
I know you both were running something similar anyway yesterday.
Yeah, Fox out there too.
And then this kart ran in the historics yesterday. It's nice to see that little 3-port West Bend out there running in the historics. It ran really nice. Nice, smooth, clean running motor. Don South cleaned the Alley Cat up that I sold him a little bit a year ago, and he cleaned that up a little bit, brought that up. It's a reproduction Alley Cat that I make. This is my Alley Cat. Sitting here. Nick Cam Miller has his Alley Cat, reproduction Alley Cat that I built for Nick. Here, got a 101 on it. Nick keeps his kart really nice and clean. Oh yeah, and then we got my buddy Chuck Myers here with the ball and chain special. It's got two N-Gray 175cc free air motors on it. This was a go-kart engine that was made for 1 or 2 years.
That's the last thing.
Chuck's a fun guy to be around. Here we have the enduro kart that Dave Sagan's been showing. This was all hand built. This was Bob Waller's enduro kart. Beautiful, beautiful job in this kart. It's got a lot of history. A lot of history on this kart. I have a Rupp Enduro here at Tom Kelly's.
Can't you read?
Another nice enduro rear. Another Rupp.
My dad on his Camaro says
It's got the knockoff Rupp rear axle and wheels in it.
right, attention to the pits. We're going to get Kart Show Awards.
We're getting back here to the Sidewinders.
Still got 50-50 VKA raffle tickets up here by the sign.
Norman the Sidewinder.
She can sell you more tickets for the 50-50 VKA raffle. And then the winning ticket
Andrew Gland's
will be
Invader.
called at the end of the show awards.
The Mac on it.
And that's going to be in about 30 minutes.
My new friend Emma.
50 VKA raffle ticket.
Hanging out with all of us crazy go-kart people.
Announce the winner of
She's a drag race lady. She's got a Chevelle drag car. Malibu. Oh man, I got it. Oh, okay.
This one.
She's got that drag car that she runs. You said that runs in the 10s?
Yeah, low 10s.
Low 10s.
Yeah.
Yeah. So fast chicks racing.
Yep.
So good for her. She's kind of new to the crew and we already love her. This is Jackson, one of Jackson's similar karts with a Briggs on it. Another Briggs from the same camp. A lot of good looking machinery. Like maybe a Red Devil Sidewinder here. I'll tell a Red Devil with a double tube frame. Yeah, 1969 Red Devil.
Hey.
Hey, Steve.
These are,
How we doing?
there's a troublemaker right
That's
there.
right. That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Big troublemaker.
Yeah, he's from where I grew up, a Peoria kid there.
So I can't be too bad, right?
Yeah, that's right. I'll keep you.
Thank you.
And this is the Cam Miller Invader. This is one of the Invader chassis that I built.
Stay cool now, right?
That's another one.
So as you can see, you know, there's a lot going on here yet. I'm kind of all thankful for the clouds because it's been 2 brutal, blistering hot days for us, and most of us are melted. But everything's run smooth. Boys have put on a nice event, 176 entries. Bill McCormick talking.
Merrill who judged them. Myself.
Jeremy. Jeff Eakins. Bird.
Together? Probably.
Here's my Kruger clue. People that keep me happy right here. Oh, folks, look at the nice awards you're going to get here. I guess maybe I don't really want one because they're almost maybe, I don't know, too big? Nah, they're never too big. And this is a giveaway cart that they're giving away. So your entry got a ticket to win this cart. If you didn't come to Norway, you might have missed out. One of my buddies left early last year and he won the cart, but he wasn't here so he couldn't claim it. So they drew another ticket, and sure enough, it was one of my other good buddies that won it. So we'll see who wins this one this year. So wouldn't you love to take this home?
Wait, I didn't get to. Okay.
It's Jesse's cart. I'm just driving it. I'm not even driving it. I get one of those.
Next category, restored rear. 1961 Fox Mac Kart, Jordan Morale, the Mac 93.
Where is he? Hang on, I'm coming.
This category was kind of stacked with entries from the same manufacturer. 1963 Alley Cat 3, Steve Welty with a Mac 49.
Did Shorty take the, Haley, did Shorty take the picture?
This is kind of an oddball past champion. Originally was a Rough Grand Prix, we believe. Now it's powered by.
So we got the guy here?
Yeah, Mr. Chuck.
Are you past champion?
Yeah.
There were a lot of restored sidewinders, but not that many unrestored sidewinders. So this 1974 Margay concept powered by KT100, Joe Yankee.
Stop it!
Rolling down through into the sidewinders now.
Restored sidewinders, there was some amazing stuff. We went early this time. So when we say sidewinders, this is pretty early. 1969 Red Devil Sprint powered by a BM. Nate Thompson, 1969 Red Devil.
Next thing we got to stop. Don't block the motor.
Restored sidewinders. Moving on to the modified Sidewinder. A lot of complicated, fancy stuff on this. 1975 Invader with twin K35s. Gene Lang. Quite a cart. Gene Lang.
I'm here.
Get behind your cart. Or in front of your
When
cart,
we say
whatever you want to do.
Sidewinder and past champion, I've seen this car quite a few times. It's definitely a past champion. 1981 Margay Expert KT100.
Gene is the
Warren
promoter
Pritchett
for this
Jr.
event, so.
Thank you. Right. I can't keep up with
When it comes to enduros, the judging is usually pretty easy. But this time it was hard. We had quite a few entries in the enduro class.
Yeah, a few times.
Face Haley here.
If you haven't seen this 1971 Rupp Mean Machine, you got to come take a look. This is a piece of history here.